Did you create infrastructure? Did you try BIP master? Did anybody try about the BIP structure and the BIP master?
No, BP master not started. Yesterday I completed the assignments.
Okay.
So today I will try. Yeah.
Okay. So what about others? Did you try?
I did enterprise structure setup, definitions and assignments, but I
BIP
tried
ma-
with business partner, but not clear with the BP grouping, BP role. Like I tried doing setup, but not completely clear. Like,
Okay, fine, fine. So what about others? So Harish Kumar, did you try that?
Yeah, Shekhar, I complete the enterprise structure and BP. For BP, I created the group and number ranges
Okay.
and customer. Today I will
Okay.
try supplier and with the same BP, how we can add customer and supply in the same, right?
Okay, you cannot get out. Okay. 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 So others also do the practice, do the structure and make the BIP master so that you can continue with the sales transaction next step. So today we'll continue with the BP configuration. So some of things are shown in the BP configuration. Then we'll go for material master. Then we'll do some sales transactions. Okay, so we start the session with some more configuration from the BP master. So share the screen. So are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
So Shekhar, I have one question. Like,
Okay.
so in BP concept, like in existing, we have account groups and partner determination procedure, right?
Yeah.
So still we need to maintain that configuration like account group and partner determination procedure.
Yes. Same procedure. Same procedure should be maintained in S/4HANA also.
Okay, that account group and partner determination procedure.
Yeah. We can. We will go through that also. If time is there today, we'll go through the partner determination also. Okay. Same concept only. Nothing. No, there's no change in that. Okay. So BP configuration. So first I'll start with the number range concept once again. So I will show the external number range. You know already the external number range. Did you try the external number range with that BP master? Did you try the external number? Anybody tried the external number for the account groups? The same like process like ECC only, but that's a difference. I'll show how to assign the external number when you're going for the supplier role, sorry, customer role. Okay, just show that. Then start with the number range. So we'll go for the first. We'll go both the groups. Both the groups will maintain number range and so how to use the number in the BP master. So in financial accounting, yesterday I already created the that account group. So I'll go for customer accounts, master data, preparations, and first let's see the number range whether the system have any external number. Go for this one. So what I am doing is I am going to assign external number to both the groups. So we create account groups, finance accounting and cross-application components. So both the groups I am going to assign external number range. So go here. So check the external number is available. Anybody else has created external number. So 1% this external number is there. So I'll take one of the so I'll go for the so this is interval number I'll take. So So 10 is not there. So I'll take 10 interval. So I'll go for this one, insert line. So that number range is 112, interval number 112. Number range I'll maintain. For example, ABC 1 till ABC 10. I'll mark as sectional. So number is interval 12. I'll save this one. Okay, so it's interval XX. So it is interval, the XX interval is overlapping. I'll go for XX. So here. So what I can do is here, I'll reduce this to 810. So saying this one. Okay, so my new number is 12. So I'll go back. I'll assign to the account group now. Go for here, assign number ranges. So go for yesterday created RMSA. So I'll take, so I think RINS. So RKS. So number range is 12. Interval is 12. So we'll take 12 here. This is the external number. Say this one. This account group for the supplier role. Sorry, customer role. This account group is for the customer role. So I'll go for the general role also. That's the cross application. So go for cross application components. So go for SAP business partner. Go for business partner. Then basic settings. The number ranges. Here also we can define new number range. I'll make a sectional number range. So change intervals. So I can search any other. So there's one alphanumeric is there, one is there. Okay, so we'll go for, so number range interval will take. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16. So 18 is not, I'll go for 18. So insert a line. Insert line. It's not taking. So okay, so I'll close and open. So change interval. So insert interval 18. So here also maintain the same thing, or it can be different or same thing. I'll make it maintain the same thing, ABC1 and this ABC10. Okay. So marker external. So maybe this I can change. I'll make BCD. So I'll make this BCD1. Can be same also, just for the thing I'm taking. BCD10. It's external. So now interval is 18. So enter again. So now go back. So assign 18 to that. So assign 18 to the account group. Go for assign. So again, RKS. The number is 18. This is 18. So once again, the external will be automatically ticked here. It will become external automatically. Say this one. Okay, we've done the number, external number range for both the groups. We go for the BP creation. So organization. So here one more thing I'll show you. This we have 3 things. So yesterday with the organization. If you take organization, you'll get the title as like this will be the title. So you can add plan like later I'll show how to get your own title. And if you go for person as a customer, then in the title we get like this one, like Mr. Mrs. Like we'll get the title. And if you go for group, we'll get a again we'll get some more title here. The title will be like this one. Oh, it's a difference. This title change. We take the change the person or organization group here. Go for organization. So change. They will change. Take our group, that is RKSA. Okay. Now I'll go for the title. Everything title company. So I'm giving some other name now. GRS. Some this one. Stored something like this. It's not a mandatory field now. maintain the other things. So I make as Pune. It's already there. Pune is already there. Country is 13. Now scroll down. So language English. So it's asking if I seen the number, right? Because it's external number. This will not give the number. I give the number within ABC1 to ABC10. I can maintain any number here. So I can maintain ABC2 or ABC3. ABC starting from ABC1, ABC10. You can give any number. So that's the advantage of the external number. When in the external number, you can within the number range, you can take any number. So I'm giving ABC1 starting number only giving ABC1. Now we enter save. Okay. Wait. Okay, sorry. So this is a general group number. So the number should be BCD1. This is a general group number. So it will be BCD1. BCD1. Enter. Save this one. So we made a general number, external number. The customer code is BCD1. This was general role. Now go for display to change mode. Then change the role to FLC. FLC is SD customer. So fax mandatory. So because we assigned yesterday, we are trying the field settings for that our role. I assigned that tag fax mandatory entry. So assign the fax. Put the fax field here. Fill the fax field. So fax field. So fax field is not visible here. So we'll increase the fields here. So so I think somebody has made that mandatory entry now. That's sorry, it is suppressed, I think, display mode. Sorry, it is gone now, hide. I think somebody has hidden that fax. Yeah, it is there. Fax is there, but it's not showing as a mandatory entry. So go for the sales. So now if you now we're already in the GST role, so go for sales and distribution. So same thing. Enter. Okay, so things later will ask other things. Now save this one. When you go for save option, so it asks external number range and the external number X customer number. So now to assign the external number from this window, how to assign the external number for the customer role? Click on general data. Click on general data. Go for customer general data. Go for customer general data. So here assign the number. Here assign the external number like ABC1. Okay, now we save this one. So we assign this BCD1 is the general number and this is the customer number. This we can use only ABC1 in your sales transaction, not the BCD1. So our sales order will get used only ABC1. Save this now.
Sorry, Kishore, one question actually. What is this FI? What is this FI customer? So that will include the customer detail. Sorry, finance detail for the customer. As in it is same thing like the whole ECC only. We will assign the basically we'll assign the payment terms and the reconciliation account related to the customer master. Yeah. So here,
if you take when you take this, first say this one. Okay, again, some mandatory entries are there. Okay, so when you go for so all the three are the three roles are mandatory. General role, so customer role will enter the customer sales details. In the finance accounting, under the FI customer,
So we'll enter
It is
finance. Yeah, related to the
company-
finance. Yeah, like
company code
reconciliation.
data.
Yeah, in company code data, you have fill the, you change your company code, switch company code, change to your company code. That is
Oh.
TRG. Yeah. Then this is a mandatory. Like in the ECC, we are the reconciliation account. Same thing here also. So common data, yeah, we can assign the reconciliation account here. That is account receivable, domestic. Customer receivable, domestic. Okay, so like the earlier ECC only, we had maintained the company details in the company code data, like finance details in the company code data. Okay, so let's go something I mentioned here. Save this up.
And this general role will have the general data of the customer or how it is? It can be a supplier or
general data.
general.
General data will contain mainly the address details will be there, general data. So this detail is common for the both customer role as well as the finance role. This is a general rule applicable for all the masters, like we have in the sales area data or company code data, or the so if you are made a supplier master data, so this also be the same thing only. So if you change the role to supplier, again we'll get the same. This common for that also.
And when you extend that general role to sales role, like customer SD role, that address will get copied to SD customer general data. Is that the address which you maintain in the general role that will get copied to when you extend the role to the same address will get copied, right? SD role.
Yeah, it will copy to that. Yeah, it will copy to that role. Okay, so you are asking something about that address yesterday, like we are sold about different addresses, which will be the address be taken. So that will do during the sales transaction, like sales order will show that. Yesterday we were asking about the same thing. We were asking about the address. So when you do the sales transaction, I'll show that how it is taking the address in the sales order. Okay. So this we made a this is the
suppose one so one sold to party we have different ship to party.
Okay.
So means we have to create a different SD customer and then we need to assign
in the partner function. Yeah. So in the partner function we get so it's coming the question of yesterday. I forgot to check this one. So in the here we'll go for partner function. We change this to here under sales and distribution data. We have to go for partner function. So who on the partner is related to this main partner? Killing the partner. So like if you have more than one, also you can assign the partner functions. So if you are going to do two different sold to party, take both of these. So first you take the sold to party. So we haven't maintained, so it's not coming. So the sold to party for the ship to party as a sold to party. So you can give any number of partners here for sold. If you are making different ship to parties there, so you can make a different customer master data. So ship to party data can link here to the same ship to party SH. Okay.
We link here, but where we create so the individual ship to party if I want to create like.
Yeah, so that's the same process. So okay, so it's not getting saved. I forgot to check that yesterday. So once you save this, you'll get a number. Okay, 1 second. So the question account problem is coming. So yeah, now this got sent and now it got saved. So I got a number now. So this general customer general data, I get the number ABC1. So now in the partner function, so this is a new customer. Now in the partner functions, okay, then we had maintained the partner. Then I can assign here. I'll do one thing. First, we'll go through the water plant today. I'll go through that. After that, we'll go see the partner function also. I'll explain the partner function later. First, we'll go through what a new topic will take planning. I'll go through that and we'll see the partner function also. Later part of the training, today's class, we'll see the partner functionality. Okay.
And one more question from my side.
Okay.
So in the beginning means there is a 3 category, right? Person, organization, and group.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, correct.
so organization means for a company, and person is a like
Individual
we have
person,
the
individual
partner.
person.
We have
Yeah.
a partner like a contact person.
Yeah.
So is it the same or is it a different
Yeah.
thing?
So for example, yeah, what you told the Potter that contact person or sales employee, for that also can use. Sometimes the customer can be single person, like is a household applicant. He is a customer for household appliances. So he's not a factory or not maintaining factory or company and all. We are selling to individual person. That's that can be made as a person.
Because in ECC there is a different T code for creating contact person, right?
Yeah. So here the method is
VEP3 something.
Yeah, here it is different. We'll make the person here, and we'll go for relationship. In the relationship, we'll maintain the counter person. This is the difference between ECC and S4HANA. We have one optional relationship. The same master data and the relationship. We'll click on relationship. We'll link the person as a counter. I'll go through we are going to cover that. So there will link the counter person. So make a counter person. For him, there's no need for the supplier, customer role, and finance role. Just make the general role for as a person. That make the link between the counter person and the customer relationship.
Yeah, please show that part as well.
Yeah. I'll show that. We'll go through all the topics one by one. Okay. So Potter function. So I'll check later. Potter function will go through later. So already saved. It's already saved. So I'll go for the configuration part again. I'll come to here. So the BP role. So BP role, I show one more thing here. So for example, so BP role. So if you want to make a new BP role, so yesterday made a BP role. So what we made yesterday, I think we made SG is something I made, I think. So TRG.
No, something starts with RK or RS.
Yeah. So RKS, yeah. So we'll take training today. So RKT. So we got
I think we have not created any BP role.
Yeah. So I'll show that again. So first in the BP role, in the different BP role, first you make a category. First you can make category. So these all are standard things. So we should not change any change standard setting here. You can only put copying options. You can go for either new interest, you can copy option. Don't make any changes in the standard role. So first we'll make a role category. So here go for BP role category. Can do from here or can go from here also. Can go from the main window also. Can go from here also. So we can click here for the BP roles. First make a role category. For example, go for new entries. Can go for new. So yesterday created anything. So I'll make a new only. So go for new entries. So give some role category. For example, I'm giving our is TRG. So we'll make TRG GN general. We'll make TRB role category TRGGN. Some name for that. Title we can give. So title 1 second. We'll just take this text from the standard one. Okay, we'll take customer only. So for new entries, so like a customer. Also the customer only. And this differentiation type. So we'll take a general data. So you can see all the views here. So I'll take general data. So here I can make the link here. So this category can be used for only organization. So if you take this role category and a role, later we're going to get the role. If you take the particular role, for example, I make a new role like TRG one new role. So there you can link. You can make only organization. Person group cannot be added with this role category. Okay, the customer or the person or group cannot be used in this category. Okay, so I'll show that. So save this one. Okay, now we'll go for BP role. Now we'll for BP role. So now we can copy from the existing ones. We'll take general role. This one will take now general role. Go for copy option. Now change this to your own role. So I'm giving TRG GEN. So you can link the role category what you created earlier step. That was TRG GEN. So we'll link that one. This is a TRG customer. So I link this one. So don't change BPU. Please do not change it. BPU is a standard. Don't change the BPU here. Now say this one. So we made a new role. TRG GN. We'll go for customer master data. So again, go for BP. Okay, so go for organization or can take anything there. So now change the role to, we'll change the role to TRG. So one we created now. So click create here. So now okay. So 1 second. See the role category. This one. Now we take only organization, the general data. So this one more thing, one more setup. We can link that. So if you go here. So in the you can either business transaction here. Like the transaction is a BUPA. That's a transaction type is BUPA in the S/4HANA. For business what usage BPS. You can make this as a transaction allowed. I think this is not the thing. As I actually wanted one more thing. I am not finding that. 1 second. So TRGGN. So actually when you take this option, so this will not be available. So STRG. So TRG is not coming. Organization. Standardization. So in the customer and general data, during general data. So role category, BP role is is already there. In the business general data, you take that so BP role. This is additional, this is a main role, is additional role only, it's not a problem. So I'll go here again. Service, I'll like skip this and go for other options. So BP, here take as organization. So okay. So I'll tell you, yeah, sorry, I forgot the concept. So 1 second. If you go for person, and now search for that BP role, it will not be available. It is not available in the person. Go for group also. If you go for group, if you click group, if you go for the role now, role, TRG will not be available. If you go for organization only, just available. That role will be available only for organization. So go for the TRG now, it's available now. This is a concept. So you can make a BP role relevant to the person or all the three things. That's a concept. So you're able to see that that function. So when you make the person, that TRG will not be available. Group also not available. Only organization level will be available here. Because we have made here, in the role category. I checked here only organization. If you take personal group now, but you will be available in all the sections. So you go to the creation, you can see all the views. If you go person also available now. It's available now. Okay, so this is a concept. Okay. So like this, make a group. We can get the role and so role you can role and that category you can make here.
And where we link this BP role with BP grouping, like so.
No, this you are going to link with an BP grouping. So okay, that you are telling group BP grouping. So that can be made from here. This a grouping is there. So in this function, if you take the GRG, this BP role, so you can link. I can add some more roles here. You can make some more roles here. What are grouping? So grouping can be done from here. We have different BP role groupings is there. So there you can link them, make the groupings here. For example, like this, you make a group here. You can go for new entries. For example, take this one. It's my own thing. I'll show you here this one. So this is a group I made. Role group I made here. Okay, so all the name everything can give here, and it contains the grouping. Role group is BP. We link the BP roles here. So the role group we can link the BP roles here. Okay, then this will link the grouping category. We'll link the grouping category. So these are some grouping categories there. So you can link like this one. So you make a group, and in the group you can maintain different your own BP roles.
Can we add this BP role that what the one you created right just now?
Yeah. Okay. So what you can do further, what you can do is we'll go here BP groupings and go for new entries. Click on new entries. Okay, so here first make the category. First you make a category. First you make a category here. Like this, make a category. Go for new entries. First make a grouping category. I'll give TRG, GRP, some title. So can give some text again. So just put the same code again. So so I can maintain something like group for TRG. So title. So the same thing I maintain for the description also. Okay. Say this one. Okay. Now go for groupings, role groupings. Go for new entries. Go for new entries. So again, it's a grouping. So again TRG, GRP. Again, some title, some description like so role grouping for TRG. So same thing I maintain here also. Link the category created as a previous step. That is a TRG grouping. So grouping we can take one of the view here. This technical part we can make that. So this is not needed. I'll leave this one not needed. Now enter. You can say this one.
So now link the grouping now. So go BP role, link the BP role now. Double click here. Go for new entries. Give the BP role what we create. Our own group we can give here. We get a TRG GEN.
And Shekhar, what is the use of this grouping? And where I can use it in the by creating the customer BP partner?
So this grouping actually, so not directly the BP master linked here. So this is a grouping now. Role grouping is in the BP role, but this actually does not impact the BP master correctly. So what are the BP role creation now is not actually exactly that not linking that. So yeah, so just like it's for identification purpose, like what are the transfer using for your group. So this one for information purpose, not having any link with the BP master creation. For a particular group of customers, maintain the group B groupings. So that is not directly affecting the BP master here. So just for the information purpose or some related for any customer report, you can use the functionalities. It's not related directly with the BP. This is okay. This category group is like that, but the role groupings is not having any direct impact to the customer master creation. It's mostly for the information purpose, also for the reporting purpose. We can use this one. Not directly not having any function with the BP master creation. BP role creation only BP role is directly affecting and the category group. So which are whether it's applicable for person group, person company. That's we can link here. This is not a direct impact on the BP master creation. This is only for our convenience to making the BP grouping, role groupings here. Okay.
BP grouping we have in the BP master, right? That we select the BP grouping and then we select the BP
so
grouping.
yeah, that also can be done. That is actually coming in the it was grouping coming under 1 second. So that can link here. But that the purpose is
this BP grouping controls the BP roles. So
sure, that also that I'm going to author that you're telling your authorizations, no?
Not sure, not like authorizations.
Mm.
See, suppose in our account group, like if when we select sold to party, it controls all the views. It gives general view, sales view, and company code view. When you select ship to party, we generally get only, I think only sales view we get, right? We don't get other views.
Yeah.
So similarly, based on the BP grouping, like it controls BP roles, like whatever the roles you assign it to that BP grouping. So
no, 1 second.
Those will be restricted or not sure. Just
one second. Let me check this one. So that was FLC. So group we got summary that was in data. So we got the group here. Telling about this grouping now. This account group is actually does not affect directly here. The group number get manually here. This author will come to this later. The authorization.
Not this. Can you go back? When you create BP master, you select BP grouping, right?
This general role. The general role. So here not self
in creation.
This could
in the grouping.
No. This account is not this. It's account group. It's not related to the BP role category. It's only account number ranges. Basically, for number ranges. Grouping for we create yesterday, finance account cross application. I showed Excel number also. For that only is the account group here. Okay, this is not related to the BP role or that grouping. It's not related with that. This is account grouping. Okay. So that's not directly affecting the BP supply customer data. So maybe I'll give some more ideas in the coming class. I'll show some more idea about its grouping, but mainly it's for the only information purpose or related for the basically for our convenience making the groupings, but not affecting the BP master creation directly. Not like BP role. So category group can maintain for that like person can be allowed for the role or like that we are maintaining here. Grouping is not having entire impact. Okay, so this now notes, this node part. So again, this we can define nodes. We can make the view here. So this I'll show later. So this one, so there are some technical glitches there. So this notes and one more thing, this screen configuration, these two things I'll show in the coming class. This I'm skipping now. This note, that's a technical glitch in the server. I have to check with the vendor. So this notes view and screen configuration will come. I'll show later once more. Coming class I'll show the screen configuration. So again, we can. So screen configuration. It's a technical part. I'll explain it later. Coming class I'll explain this one. So this two I'm skipping now. This two I'm skipping. We'll go for this one. So roles, I'll not roles. These are roles. I'll make the roles configuration. This is a coming class. Check this one. Grouping already seen. Numbering assign number ranges. So next BP types. That also we saw yesterday. So we made the field configuration, field setting according to the BP type. So yesterday I showed how to make a group partner type. Yesterday we created this one. We created which one? We created. Okay, you can make a new BP type here. So this BP type used in the master data. In the master data, so during the select existing customer. So take ABC1. So in the general role, you can display the change mode. General role, under control, we have the BP type. We have the BP type here. So this is a possible BP types. It's a possible BP type. We want to make a new BP type. Here in the configuration part, different BP types. So yesterday created, actually created yesterday in manager. So you want one more BP role, go partner type, go for new entries. So give some code, some name like salesperson, something like this one. Save this one. Save this one. So if you go for BP configuration of BP master, click and if you go click and close and open, we'll get a new BP type. That is 1000 salesperson. Okay, you get a salesperson. So now the main so you can see field selection will change now because this BP type mostly related with the field settings. In the BP set in the field settings here, this is a BP type. Then it's like yesterday. Yeah, please.
This is Vinod.
Yeah,
so
please.
Can you please open that BP? Sorry to interrupt you.
BP
I
master.
have some questions. Yeah, BP master.
Yeah, okay.
Go back. Can you please go back one screen?
Close the screen. Close the screen, or how is that?
No, just go back.
Okay. So you had to. Okay, I'll do it again. Can I open it again? So I'm going for change mode. Okay. So BP type.
No. Just go to BP transaction and just create a new customer.
New customer, okay.
Yeah.
Organization, okay.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
So I have some doubts in this screen.
Okay.
So what is the purpose of create BP role and what is the purpose of grouping? Why we need to create it? Why we need to assign these BP roles in this business partner?
This one and this. You are asking about this one and this one.
Yeah, both. What is the difference between these two and why we are using these fields?
So this for number range concept. This account group basically for number ranges. So when you make customer master data, you're getting a number. Correct. No, so when you're making customer master data, it's the same concept like ECC only. When you make the customer master data, you get number range. So number range can be created using the grouping here. So we made two groupings yesterday. So one is in the finance accounting, the grouping. So one is under finance accounting and another crossable list. Two numbers we created yesterday. So in the finance accounting, so we make an account group here for customer made account group and finance accounting, and this is for the customer role. So actually, when you make the customer's data, you'll get two numbers. So one is for the
grouping. Shekhar, grouping is also called a group of customers. Like we will create one group.
This is account group. This name is account group. You can see this account group. Define account groups screen layout. Name is account group. Okay. So this is for the number range assignment only. So basically, for the concept of account group is to link the number ranges. So we will link the number ranges here. For this account group, we link the number range here. Okay. So when I'm making the customer data, we'll get a number. We'll get a number for the customer's data. So that number is assigned to only through grouping here. And we get two numbers because this one, if I say this one, I'll get a BP number. This is called general number. When I take this partner role as a general role, I'll get a general number related to the general role. So when you put customer's data, another number is created. So that for that process, we can do two groupings, one for finance account, one for cross application. And in the assignment, we did the assignment with the two groups here. So when you went for cross application, in the cross application, we went for the synchronization. When for synchronization, here the master data synchronization, we assign both the groups. We link both the groups here. So here went here. So we went to BP settings, and for the customer integration, then went to field assignment, then assign keys. So here link the both the groups. We made one group for so you can see that. So for example, we made RKSA. You can see this are both the groups. This is for the general role. This is for the customer role. So once you assign these two groups here, but during the creation of BP, we'll get two numbers, one for general role, one for the customer role. So the understanding is this only for the number range assignment. So when you make customer's data, some code should be assigned to the customer. That done through account grouping. This role is for having that different like when you see in the old ECC, we had three department or three sections. So one is general section. So do you remember the ECC BP creation? So do you remember that when you made in the ECC, when you made customer master data, we get three sections. One is for general, finance, and the sales section. So same concept here also, but here the thing is the same. So here same person can be customer vendor. So for example, ECC for purchase, we have general function, general section, then again finance section, supplier finance section, and we have the purchase section also. So this is the thing we saw in the ECC. So the problem was if the same person is maintained, we had to separate master data for the customer supplier ECC. So in the S4 HANA, in the BP transaction, first we get general role. So that's common for the customer and supplier. If the person is same person, the customer supplier same person, they'll make a general data. In the general data will be a BP code. It's a new code for the. This is for general code. General code is G enter. And for the customer role, we'll make a new number like CUS 1. So this is the general role number. This is common for the customer and supplier. So you can see here. So whatever address giving here, that's common for the customer as well as supplier. If the person is same person, if you're making the customer supplier role as a supplier role, this number is common for both the customer and supplier master data. Okay, and separately two more numbers will be given for the customer and supplier. For customer, there will be a separate number like this CS1. For supplier, number will be VN1. So you have to follow that. Any doubt? Still any doubt? So this role is maintained to take the particular roles. The role can be purchase role, finance role, or sales role like that, general role like that. So when I change the role to FLC, that's a supplier role, it's a customer role. So you will get a different window here. So you can see one more. The tab will come sales and receipt. When you change the role here, the button will change here. If you change finance role, again you get a change in the tab here. So now we went to company code tab. Okay, so basically to differentiate different functions in the BP master, we are using the role here. This is only for number range concept. This is only for the number range assignment. This for the functionality in the BP master. Sorry, yeah, please.
I am understanding. So
Okay.
first we have to create a business partner, correct?
Yeah, BP master. Yeah, for making the
After
BP master.
that, yeah,
First,
after that we,
please, yeah.
1 minute. So
Yeah,
first
please
we
say.
have to create the business partner. Once business partner is created, again we have to select create an BP role. Means we have to select a BP general, business partner general. In that
Yeah.
we have to enter all the details related to the
Address.
customer.
Correct, yeah.
That will applicable for customer as well as
Supplier.
vendor also.
Correct, yeah.
That general data, correct?
Yeah, general data is common for both customer and supplier.
So I saw yesterday you have created one business partner. Again, you have created one customer.
Let me check.
So we have to create one business partner, and we have to create one customer, and we have to create one vendor also.
So this we created yesterday. This today we created.
Not this one, not this one. Day before yesterday, I think means Bangalore customer.
402 is the customer number.
Okay,
Yes,
402. Okay, 402. Okay. So this is the general number. This is a general number.
Okay.
Common for the customer supplier.
Okay.
Okay. So now we go for change the role here. Change the role to FLC. Say FL01. So now, so here, if you go for the general data, so this number is for the customer. This is a customer number. So this is the general number common for customer supplier. This is a particularly customer number.
Again, if we want to create a vendor, we need to create another number, right?
Yeah, so we go for now changes to the changes to supplier FLV. FLV is for supplier. This FLV standard. So FLV N01 is among supplier standard. But you have to maintain the number range accordingly. So that you have, so for supplier again the setting here we have to make here. So here, so same concept you have to use for the supplier master data in the cross subscription component. First in the finance accounting, you have to make the vendor group. The
so that means so that means a different number, right? For customer different number, and partner vendor also different number.
Different, correct. Yeah, it will be different.
And why we are using a BP partner? What is the purpose? Why we have to create the BP partner?
So what you are telling about this one, business partner?
Yeah, why we have created? We have already created a customer 402. Yeah. Again, we have to create a vendor 403 or something. Okay.
So yeah, please, yeah.
Why we want to create a BP?
So we can this total field under general role under the so under general we get all this change general role. So this window.
Can you please give me a real-time scenario?
Okay. So you can see, so this is a general role. We're getting all these tabs. Under general, we're getting all the tabs. This common for
Shekhar, I will tell you one thing. So whenever we are creating any sales order, we have to give 402 customer number, right?
Customer number, correct.
Customer number. And whenever we want to create any purchase order number, we will create we will use 403 or 405. Vendor number, correct?
Yeah.
And when we are going to use this business partner number 40051, when?
Yeah, actually is mostly used during the transfer from the old from the non-SAP to SAP or previous SAP system to the new system. That will use a business partner number. During the migration, we can use the business partner number. So already the old ERP, the one number is there. So that can transfer to the new SAP S4HANA system to this business. So this is mostly used during the data migration. So actually, direct is not any impact anybody here, anywhere else. Using the migration, you can use this BP number. Okay, that's one functionality of this BP general number. During the data migration, you can use this BP number. We have some concept here, like when you go for here IMG. So I told the BP to when I go for master synchronization. So the synchronization, we are using that. So you get option here like for direction BP to vendor. So there's something called here. This is a customer integration. So this is a problem. So already, if you are already, so in the old system, non-SAP system, we got already BP code is there. We can change customer code here. So that's a part of migration. We are not touching that part now for our training. So that will use this option here. That's BP to customer means already BP code is there. We'll create the customer role already. So that's the concept there. The BP role already system already in the old system is there. We will create only the customer direction there. So for that, mostly used for the migration purpose, it's a number. During transfer from ERD system to S4 HANA system, it's a business partner number. So maybe we have the one section, the data migration last class. So that will maybe I can touch this part also. Okay, so I'll give some theoretical idea on that during that LTM, so that will use that option. Okay, that's a base concept. So mostly we use for the migration purpose. So anything else? Sorry, satisfied now that query?
Still, I'm a little bit confused. So why we are using this business partner? We are not using anywhere in the system.
That is during the data transfer use that from one system to another system, like SAP to S4 HANA uses this number concept there. So the whole system already the BP code is there, one code is there that will convert in. So for that we'll have only the sales the customer number will add here. So that's the thing I told. It's a different product. There's a different option that during the migration uses option here. So
in that case, in greenfield implementation, we don't use BP.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. So when a greenfield will not use that thing. So during that.
You mean BP general role you don't use?
Yeah, in the green green implementation, I think will yeah. Just got the answer on that. So what is all about? What you told that? What was your question? You told green.
No, Vinod was asking like, what is the purpose of using this general role?
You are telling concept of green implementation, green integration that one told no. So that we can use the concept there. So during the migration purpose, use this option, that option.
These two options are fine. The question was like, so what is the purpose or significance of using this?
Yeah, that's
BP partner general. Anyway, when we are creating customer and vendor with different numbers, and what is the purpose of creating a general role like? So when we are not using in any transaction, given this provision.
So only for migration purpose. Only for migration purpose, we are giving this one. We are taking this one. So we are already having a number in the old system, the non-SAP system, when our old EC system. So already BP number is that mean. We will create only the supply customer role here. We'll use only customer role. So that will use this. So I'll explain this part later on in detail because with the what's that data transfer. So from non-SAP or SAP system to the S4 HANA, that will use this option here. So I'll go through this later. When you go for that data migration, one topic is that. So that will go through this option. I'll show this one, how it is used, I'll show that. I'll explain the concept one again. So not in direct relation with the BP mask creation. So we used mostly for the data migration. Okay, so I'll give some more input and the coming class will give some more input on that.
Shekhar, can you please open the Excel? Sorry, I have some doubts, so that's why I'm
here.
Yeah. So
okay.
Give me one control.
You can take that. Yeah. Hello. Okay.
So first we have to create BP.
First we start the configuration. First we have the account group.
Okay, just make a note. You take the control and just summarize this BP concept.
Okay, BP concept.
Step by step. What is the first step, second step, third step?
Okay. So first step is the account group creation. account group. So it comes under finance account. This comes under first account group creation. Account group creation makes account group creation. Account creation. So account creation, the first step is under finance account. It comes under finance accounting. So account group number, under finance accounting, account group and number range. Number range. So under the account group creation under finance accounting, account group number ranges. Next step is under cross application. Cross application, again the same thing, account group and number range. Group and number range. Okay, this comes under group and this is a number range. So number. Okay, so we get also in the system where we saw this one. The first is under the finance accounting. First under finance accounting. So under finance accounting, we made account group here, customer account group. We made a number range here. We assign number range, assigning the number range to the account group. That's the first step. The second step, cross application. Again, in the cross application. So under cross application, so under SAP business partner, under number range groupings, we made a number range and assign the group here. That is the second step. So next step is assignment of these two things. A link between these two things. Next step is a link between finance accounting and cross application. So that is where it is there. It is in the here. So that comes under not a business partner. That comes under synchronization. And the same cross application, master data synchronization. That we get a different number assignment to dash and PPT on that. So this is the thing. So the link between finance and the cross application comes under master data synchronization and the cross application component and the cross application master data synchronization. Master data synchronization. Sync. So this is a step for the this is a configuration step, basic step for the BP creation. Then after that, one more setting is later BP role. So you can make your own BP role. You can make your own BP role under here. So BP role comes under again. So under SAP business partner. So already showed in the morning. So this comes under BP role. You can make your own role. So that is the thing here. So that is the next step. So BP role, make a configuration for BP role. Configuration, you can make your own BP role. Then go for BP creation. Once completely set up, you can go for BP creation. BP creation first is under, first you select whether organization, person or group, like that select that. Then the BP creation, we get assigned the BP role or take BP role. First is general role. Okay, first the general role. Then the sales and sales finance. So these are steps. So when you come for BP creation, so already made a, so I'll go for create option. So organization. So first is the general role. When we finish the general, you get a number. So make sure you give the group here. So whatever did here in the grouping. So whatever group you link this when we done do this one, then we get the here we get the account group, the particular account group. It contains both the numbers. When you take this grouping, it will contain both the customer number as well as the general number contained in the same group here. We have made a link between finance accounting account group and the cross application account group. So this common, so it will take the number range for both the general role as well as the customer role. Ready to follow?
Yes, now till now you have created BP.
Yeah.
Not
BP.
created the customer.
No.
Correct? You have not created the customer, you have created the BP.
No, BP.
Creation
So BP,
of BP.
So yeah, so BP means so basically business. There are two business partners, customer and supplier. Correct, no? So
yes, first we have to create the BP, right?
So BP. So that's what we are telling about this one.
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll show. I'll do it again. So this we are in the organization.
Just create a new BP.
Yeah. We'll do that one. So company. So give the name here. Some name here, like you make RTS. So again, something like this one. So once you do this one, so when you say go over save option, you'll get a number here. Okay, so I may change the external number. So I give the number here like ABC BCD 2 I'll give here. So this is a new number. So BCD 1 to BCD 2. So BCD. So BCD 1, BCD 2 was there, BCD 1. So it's already there. So it's not taking BCD 1 to BCD 10. It's not taking. BCD 1, BCD 10. So it is not taking. Okay, somebody maybe use the number is again. So it's a BP number BCD 10. So this is a general number. So number is general number. Okay.
Now you have created the BP.
BP.
Now
So BP. Yeah. So it's basically a BP.
Yeah. Next step, we have to create the customer, right?
Customer.
With this BP, we can't create any sales order.
Yeah.
Or we can't create any purchase order.
So cannot use anywhere. You cannot use anywhere.
So next step is to create the customer.
Customer. Yeah. Got display change mode. Now change the role to customer role. So it's a customer role now. So a customer role. So now we'll get one more window, sales and distribution.
Now Shekhar,
yeah,
small query here.
Okay.
I created that general customer, right? Now we are creating the adding the role of customer.
Customer, correct.
Now again here I can see the address.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. So that is
if I change the, can I change the address here and what will be the impact of it?
If you change here again, it will change the standard address also. So this is common for all the roles. This window is common for all the roles. Yeah, common for all the windows, all the roles.
So if I change it, then the general what are the general address that is also get changed.
Yeah, I see here. I'll change to now. So I'll change to KRS. Change the name now. So again change to role to general role. So that'll be same KRS only. Change KR. Okay. So
no, it's not changing.
Yeah. So that's the thing there. So first step is make it general role, then change the role to customer role as well as customer finance role.
No. So we need extend this customer, that partner as a sales partner, right? And you change the name. You change the name, but that is not get replicated in the general role.
So we went for a customer role. So
RTS is showing. Can I change it to something or maybe add a new, maybe the next line name has.
Okay, second name.
Just put up the something ABC like that.
Yeah, so SDS.
Save it.
You want to save that?
Yeah, first you have to save it, right? Then we can check that whether it's applicable to the general role as well.
So again, then go here, customer general data. So this number is for the customer supplier, customer role. This is for the customer role number. It's taking 2 3 for not taking. So now, so we change to this customer role. We change now, saved now. Okay, so now we want to go for address is this address now. So go for the general role now.
Yeah.
So say not change.
Okay. So it's applicable to there as well.
Yeah.
And yesterday I asked that address overview, can I add that billing address over here?
Yeah, that's what I told. During the transaction, I'll show that. During the sales transaction, we have to create the sales order, then only I can show that. So that I'll show that. So during the transaction, I'll show that address related.
Okay, fine.
So, Shekhar, can you please open the Excel?
Okay.
Okay. So in BP creation, just can you please go down? Come down. New field. Come down. Down.
Oh, one more column.
Yeah. Here, just write BP.
Okay.
Just open the bracket.
Okay.
Just whatever BP code we have created, just mention here BCD 10.
Okay.
BCD 10. Okay. Close the bracket.
Okay.
Okay. Come down.
Okay.
So this BP, this BP is general one. Okay.
Correct,
and for this, we are not assigning any sales or any distribution channel, correct?
Correct, yeah.
So just come left field.
Okay.
Just now we have created a customer. Just write customer over here. Open the bracket. Just mention that customer number.
Customer number was ABC. So that
ABC
that was ABC 10, yeah.
ABC 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So just highlighted those two, customer and BP.
These two, huh?
Yeah. Change the color.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So now we have created the BP. Now we have created the customer. What is the next step?
That's finance. That's a finance section. So we go for sales finance.
We have to assign the sales organization and all, right?
That's the customer. That's the customer role. So actually,
can you please do it?
Yeah. So we are having the now we are having the FLC. This is for customer role. Customer. This is what we are taking customer role. We have the sales distribution data is there. So we have maintained the sales details.
Just maintain it.
Yeah. So this is a sales area. So now go for finance role. Once you can save this also.
Save it.
Yeah. So the semantic entry. And this account. The place. Let's say this one. So now we got the under we had done under sales and distribution. Then there is already that.
Just wait. Just open the Excel and mention these sales area details also.
Which one?
Under customer. Yeah. Under customer only, just open a new bracket.
Okay.
No. Go to that field only. Customer field. Yeah. Just open a new field bracket.
Okay.
Open bracket. Just mention that sales area detail.
That was TRGS.
Slash.
Yeah. TRGS. And that was TR. Again TR. This is the sales area.
Okay. Now we have created a BP. Now we have created a customer with the sales area also.
Sales, correct, yeah.
So now for this customer, you need to extend the company code, right?
Correct.
In which company code this customer is available?
Correct.
What is the next step?
So change the role to finance role. FI customer standard.
Okay.
Finance. We will get the tab here. Company code tab. So interest distribution, get the company code tab now.
Okay.
So give the company code. Go for switch company by default take 1710. Switch company code.
So we have created this company code.
Yeah, we
created a new one.
Yeah, you have to practice, then only can see follow that. This is company code data.
Save it.
Save it, will get a. There will be no new number for it. Already number is taken from the customer account. So you may fill the payment terms also here for the final company code data. You save this one. Customer account mandatory entry. So what is taking then again? Okay, so okay, not able to say that. The problem may be, so in the IMG, so we sometimes taking the field setting from the finance accounting also. Not really only. So some of the field settings, something happened, I think. Field setting. The field setting. For client. Okay, so you understand the concept now. No? When he says he'll get will be saved.
Yeah. Actually, I understood the concept, but we need to create a sales order with this particular customer only, right?
Yeah,
so
only
do the configuration.
Yeah, this is customer. We'll do the customer. We'll use only customer. Then this number will be used for the sales transactions.
Yes, but while creating the sales order, it will not allow, right? If we will not give any particular specific or correct data.
Yeah. If we are not able to save that this data, it cannot be used in the transactions.
Yeah. So can you please fix this issue first? After that, we will proceed further. We need a particular customer to create a sales order.
Okay, so I'll leave this one. So I'll take the whole customer that's having that full all the fields are filled there. So I had find this error is coming. I had find out that. So before that, we'll take the existing customer. What I get yesterday, somebody has changed the field settings. I had checked that. So we'll take a whole customer. What we get yesterday. So ABC one also created. That's also created. So take anything there. So it's a 402. We get yesterday. So this is a BP number, and in the finance details, the FLC under the customer, FLC customer, under sales and distribution, we get data. We get data here. Later for finance setting, finance customer, and the company under company code, we get data here. Here the data. So here also it's not there. So it didn't get saved. Here also it was not saved there. Okay, so switch company code. So I had fixed that issue first. So recursion account. There is one. It does not extend SKD1. So that is saying one sound is okay. Change the company code. Okay. So problem is okay. So that's SKD1. The table. See 1710. This account is not there. Because it's having the setup in 1710. So number is I'll do one thing. So I go for F00. The problem is the standards in the demo system. This account is not there into 1710. So this account number is 1710. What is the number? What is the number we got? 121000. 121000. So okay, so go for. So domestic is showing there, but it's not. So the company should be 1710. 1710.
No, we have not created this 1710 company code. We have created our company code, right?
Wait. So actually the error is showing. We see the error message. It is showing 1710 is the company code. This account is not existing. Okay, so I get it in the here. So I'll go for with template. So I'll take 121000. Company code is 17. I'll copy from TRG. Enter. So I'll save this one. So you not have chart account YCY account BS. Okay, so account BS not different chart account YCY. So I'll change this account group to reconcile APAR. Save this one. So field status will not remember status 0010. Change the field here. Change that field group also. So what was the error? The error was this is not different field status 0010. Field status agent. So this one is G067. Field status variant 0010. Okay, I'll go for one more window. So basically some setup missing in the BPAS. It's a new server. I didn't use it. It's a new server, so a lot of settings missing there in the finance accounting. So under finance accounting, go for user accounting, master data, GL accounts, go for preparations. Here we have the where the field status variant will come. Is come under documents. Business transactions. Not here, master data, GL accounts, preparations, chart of account to. So where the field status variant will come, just forgot that. Field status variant. So that was G010. C010. C010.
Shekhar, after this, can we take a short break and?
Yeah. Just play for 5 more minutes.
Yes. Sure. Thanks.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah, 067. That will be 010 only. So say this one. Where it will come ledger. So 170 template TRG. So this should made us a location upon the APAR. I'll take this one. T06 are not defined. Okay, so yeah, first we find what is the field status variant for company code. So that was 1710. 1710 was having C010. Okay, C010. So here in the C0 here for C010, this one. So I made a very simple one. So go for field status. What was the error message? This is written G067. Okay, so G067 is not there. So go for me and this. So 010 is 010. So here 010 should be G067. 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 This one. Okay, enter. I'll go there again. So go for name, go for GL account. Now try this again. Okay, got saved. Okay, so now you go for the BP master, it will work now. So go for the application account. Try to save this one. Okay, got saved. Does not exceed 12100 in 170. 170 still not there. It's already created. Okay, so I'll close and open it again. So what happened? Okay, so I'll close and open it again, that one. So go for BP. So format to change to FLC finance role. So that is there. Go for company code. Change company code to switch company code. That is RG. So connection account will try now. This one is. Now say this one. Okay. So again same thing. Field.
Can you check the customers where they already extended to FI role? Like,
no, all the customers are in the same thing only. Here you saw this error. Okay, we will take a break. Meanwhile, check that. We'll take a break now. Client. Account center business partner. Go for the company code data. Company code. So the concession account. So not that will come under customer. So account center addresses, BP search. Company code not here in the field. Sales data. Sales organization data. Then you get general company, here will come customer general company code data. We got the concession account. The concession account, where is the concession account? The concession account, that is a record entry. It's a record entry. I'll change to this one. Okay. So try again. Have to close and open it again. So I'll close and open it again. It's so actually that I'll find I got check that it is basically in finance account setting missing. So it's my one in my another company. I have another company. So there I have created because basically the chart account was different for this company and my old company. That is working. So from other company code, maybe we'll check and update you. What is error also will update you next class. So I'll take my another customer there.